Hello, today I'm going to fix this I'm going to fix this grout where it has chipped out in between the tiles. And first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clean the area. So I have vinegar and water. There we go. Vinegar and water, clean it up and let it dry. Get down in that space just a little bit. And then I mixed up, and yeah, I used chopsticks. Mixed up some of this stuff, Poly Blend Plus. I didn't want to mix up all of it just because I only have a small spot to do here and then in my daughter's bedroom. So I just mixed up a little bit of this. It said to mix it up with water and then wait 5 minutes and then mix it again. I already mixed it a few minutes ago. I mix it up a second time and then I'm gonna put it in here. And I'll show you how I do that. That's what it looks like. It's kind of thickish, not too thick, not too runny. Maybe a little bit like peanut butter. I think that's about right. All right, so I'm just gonna put some of it in the hole, and then I'm gonna use the floater to go over it and spread it out. I haven't used this in a while, so I'm gonna wipe this down too. And then it says to wait a little while. Let's see how long. Might help if I have my glasses. Wait 10 to 20 minutes for the firm joints, and then I can take a damp sponge and clean it. So I'll be waiting 20 minutes before I clean it up. I'm just going to apply a little bit right there. And then take the floater and just wipe it away. It's pretty easy to use. I don't know if you can get a close-up of that, but that's how easy it was. So I just wiped it in and then wiped away any of the excess. I'm gonna get a little more right in there. There we go. And wait 20 minutes and wipe it away. I'm going to go do the same thing in my daughter's bedroom. And here, it's a different color, but I plan on painting or staining the grout in here anyways, which is what we did for the rest of the house. And I can show you that up. And I can show you that. If you look probably in the picture, you'll probably see it right now. All right, I think I got enough down there, and now I'm just gonna I think I'm gonna go this way because the tile's a little higher this way. I'm just gonna wipe it away. And my cat's gonna join me. Once I've wiped it down in the crack that way, now I'm just gonna rub it like that, and rub it right away. There we go. That's all there is to it. Now I have leftover grout. I should probably see if I have anywhere else in this house that needs some grout. And then 20 minutes later, I just cleaned it up. It also says to come back after 2 hours and there could be a little bit of a film here, and you're going to wipe that away with a cloth. And just like that, the hole is filled with grout, and you can't even tell that there was a hole there once before. If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.